Here's how to fix Fortnite Unavailable on Epic Games Launcher. First, open the Epic Games Launcher and go to Library. Find Fortnite, click the three dots next to it, and select Options. Simply click the Apply button even if you don't change any settings. Once it's finished, try launching Fortnite again and see if the issue has been resolved. If that doesn't work, completely close the Epic Games Launcher. Make sure you also close it from the system tray by right-clicking the Epic Games icon on the taskbar and selecting Exit. Next, right-click the Epic Games Launcher shortcut on your desktop and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab and enable both Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK to save the changes. Now launch the Epic Games Launcher again. Return to the library and check whether Fortnite is now available. If you're still seeing the same problem, close the Epic Games Launcher again and make sure it's fully exited from the system tray. After that, open the Start menu, search for Run, and launch it. Type %local app data % and press Enter. Scroll down until you find the Epic Games Launcher folder and Fortnite game folder. Right-click it and select Delete. Then locate the Fortnite game folder, right-click it, and delete it as well. Once both folders have been removed, open the Epic Games Launcher again and sign back into your account. After signing in, Fortnite should no longer appear as unavailable and the issue should be resolved. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.